Alright, real quick video of a car that I've kept for around a year now. Haven't gotten it registered. I'm still working on the paperwork because it's been sitting since '92. Went through the fuel tank and fuel lines and all that. Got it running. Pretty interesting car. So it's a 1981 Cadillac Eldorado. But what makes it interesting is the fact that it's a diesel. I don't know if you've seen one of these, but it's a lot of parrots. So this is basically sort of a rare car. I don't know how many of them still exist, how many are still working and running. And what makes it really rare is I've never seen one with this hood or this trunk lid. Totally different than anything I've ever seen. So jeez, what is going on? Sorry about that. So I've never seen one with this hood lid. Pretty crazy. Needs to get all these little molding pieces replaced. They always crack on these cars for some reason. And I do have the hubcaps, but when they put on the brand new tires, they put those damn weights on the outside, so I couldn't put the hubcaps back on. Again, just kind of an interesting vehicle. Let me know if you've ever seen one with that on the trunk lid. Honestly, I'd love to see it. I know they made like the Seville with the slant back, but I've never seen this on this car. So let's go ahead and start it up. Pretty crazy, huh? Thing runs good. Give it a little high idle. Obviously, I don't want to rev it because it's still warming up, but get rid of that high idle. There we go. Yeah, pretty interesting, huh? That's pretty creepy. I don't know what the hell that thing's doing. Yeah, so hey, I just wanted to share that with you. Oh, the other thing that's strange is it has a fuel tank in the back. I have no idea if it was a vegetable oil car at one point, but it says diesel fuel only on the tank. Trunk's kind of a pain in the ass to open. You gotta like press the button and then run back there because it doesn't have good shocks anymore, so it closes on its own. But hey, hopefully you enjoyed this video. It's a rare old car that most people think is probably stupid, but to me, I think it's just cool to have something that is different and old and probably known as one of the worst motors ever made, to be honest. But I think this one was a crate motor, which means it was fixed. All the issues were fixed. It has a bunch of that fuel filter stuff in there, which apparently was a big problem with the first one. It didn't have a filter or something like that, so it would get stuff in there and water in there, and I don't know. Hopefully you enjoyed it.